fam, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, we are going to be doing a little room makeover. We are in my guest bedroom, which is also my recording room, and I want to add a little va-va-voom to it, you know, make it not so that, basically. So I am bringing you guys along in case you are also looking for a little change of pace with your decor. Let's get started. So with this room, I have been looking at a couple of ideas. I wanted something kind of like geometric, but not like the same geometric that I've seen like in a lot of videos with triangles and things like that. I don't know, I want something that's gonna pop. So the way that I'm gonna be making my wall pop is with washi tape, and I will have a up-close picture here to the side for you. It is this beautiful copper rose gold color, and I did purchase it from Amazon. The particular brand that I purchased, it comes in 4 different sizes, which I like because I feel that's gonna give me a lot of dimension. So I'm going to start out using the biggest size width-wise, and then I'm just kind of winging it to see how I like it, and I will figure out at that point if I want to add in the other smaller ones. I don't know. We're not really structural over here. We just go with the flow. So let's hop to it. So here I'm taking my ruler and I am just marking out every 12 inches. So that way it will give me an idea of how wide apart I want my initial lines that are going to go from ceiling to floor. The span of my wall came to about a little over 10 feet. So I decided to do my sections 2 feet apart, and that would give me like 5 individual panels because I wanted my geometric designs to be really big, kind of like medium-sized big. This is the amount of tape that I have left over from that initial first row. So I did have to start using the other rows in order to fill in my actual shapes. And here's the moment I realized I made a mistake. You see, I was trying to do a chevron design at the top.
It's really not that bad. It just needs a little shaping. To the salon!
And here's all the tape that I have left over from my second row. Now I'm just going in with the third roll to finish out the bottom half of my wall, and that will be the end of my design. I am so in love with the way that this turned out, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video as well. If you have any questions or any other ideas that I can do for other accent walls, please leave them in the comments below. But until next time, bye Glow Fam.